Most people trying to learn new skills right now are actually slowing themselves down. They're watching long courses, saving tutorials they never finish, and convincing themselves they're preparing when they're not really learning anything. If you're still learning the old way in 2026, you're burning time without realizing it. Here's why this matters. Skills now expire faster than ever. AI tools update monthly, tech stacks change, business models shift, and the people who learn fastest don't work harder, they use better systems. If you don't fix how you learn, you don't just fall behind, you get stuck restarting from zero every year. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact way I use ChatGPT to learn new skills 10 times faster, the one mistake that makes most people think ChatGPT doesn't work, and how to turn learning into something you can actually apply, not just consume. Welcome to Padded Vibes. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into the business of the day. Firstly, open a new tab on your browser. Go to ChatGPT. Before typing anything, this is the first thing most people mess up. They treat ChatGPT like Google. They ask random questions, they copy answers, and they forget everything the next day. We're not doing that. We're turning ChatGPT into a learning system. Click New Chat. The first prompt decides everything. Type this slowly. I want you to act as a personal learning system. Ask me questions first before teaching me anything. Your goal is to help me learn faster than traditional courses by focusing only on what matters. Hit enter. This matters because learning speed doesn't come from more information, it comes from relevance. Now, ChatGPT will start asking you clarifying questions. Answer them honestly, don't rush. Once that's done, you move to the second prompt. This is where acceleration starts. Type, I want to learn insert your skill. Break this skill into the smallest practical sub-skills that actually matter in 2026. Ignore outdated theory. Rank them by impact. This is different from normal learning because you're not starting at chapter 1, you're starting at leverage. Most courses teach everything. This teaches only what moves results. Now, copy the list ChatGPT gives you. Open a notepad, paste it there. You've just created a modern learning roadmap in under 2 minutes. Now, here's the third prompt. This one replaces hours of tutorials. Go back to ChatGPT. Type, teach me sub-skill number 1 as if I need to apply it in real life within 24 hours. Give me only what I need to execute. No background fluff. Read the response carefully. Notice something. It feels practical, action-focused, short. That's intentional. Now, here's a small optimization most people miss. After ChatGPT explains, type this follow-up. Give me one simple task I can do in 30 minutes to lock this in. This is how learning turns into action. Do the task immediately or later the same day. This is how information turns into skill. Now we move to the fourth prompt. This one fixes confusion. Type, explain this again, but assume I'm struggling and missing something obvious. Point out where beginners usually get stuck. This matters because most people don't fail from lack of intelligence. They fail at blind spots. ChatGPT is very good at revealing those if you ask correctly. Now let's speed things up even more. The fifth prompt compresses weeks into days. Type, create a simple 7-day practice plan using this sub-skill. Each day should take less than 45 minutes. This works because consistency beats intensity. Short daily execution compounds fast. Now here's the mid-video truth that resets everything. This is where most people mess it up. They keep starting new topics instead of stacking understanding. So before moving on, you use the 6th prompt. Type, "Test me on this." Ask me questions that expose whether I truly understand or I'm just repeating words. Answer the questions honestly. If you struggle, you go back one step, not 10. This prevents fake progress. Now, the 7th prompt, this one is the real multiplier. Type, "Show me how this skill connects to real income opportunities, automation, or leverage in 2026. This is how learning stops being academic. You'll start seeing ways to monetize, ways to automate, ways to combine skills. Now, here's a reality check. This won't make you an expert overnight. That's not the goal. The goal is compression, learning in weeks what used to take months, applying faster, adapting quicker. Why this works is simple. Courses are linear. Real learning is adaptive. ChatGPT becomes powerful when you force it to adapt to you, not the other way around. Now, here's what this setup unlocks next. Once you master learning like this, you can pick up tools faster, build apps quicker, launch blogs sooner, test ideas without overthinking. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn this learning system into a daily execution workflow, where ChatGPT plans, reviews, and improves your work automatically. If you want more videos like this, the ones that actually work, like this video and subscribe to Powdered Vibes to stay updated. And here's the open loop. Most people think the problem is motivation. It's not. It's the learning system they're using. Are you still using the old one, or are you ready to replace it?